I will go now here and go to the chat and click on GPT 3.5 Turbo model. So now we are going to chat with ChatGPT but using the playground. I will say here, what is machine learning, for example, and now click on submit. The assistant or the model will answer you. Look at this. Here we have something called the system prompt. If I tell it now, you are an expert in machine learning. It's like giving a role to the prompt. Remove this and submit again. It will answer you as a machine learning expert. Now, if I tell the model, you know only about this sentence. Polar bears are white. Don't answer anything not related to this sentence. Let's now ask the same question, what is machine learning? Submit. It will tell you, I'm sorry, the question is not related to the sentence polar bears are white. And now I will say, you are a digital marketing expert. Don't answer any question that is not related to digital marketing. Okay, so there's a system prompt, and now I will ask about polar bears. What do you know about polar birds? Polar bears. Submit. It will tell you, I can answer the question about polar bears because my knowledge is limited to digital marketing. This system role is very important when you create like chat bots for your specific niche, maybe for your website, for your course, for your documentation, and you want people to use it just in a specific field. So keep in mind this system prompt. It's very important in some scenarios.